Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss about the two-bed apartment. Here in this video we will discuss about the circulation, about the spaces, about the furniture layout, about the material. So first of all, here we can enter to apartment from here to this on this door. So here is lobby, and lobby here is a storeroom. So after this storeroom, here is a back master bath. So from here, from lobby, we can enter to a master bath bedroom, and from here we can enter to a child bedroom. So here is kitchen. That kitchen here is a dining table, and here is living space. Is living area for a sitting, a bed, a TV wall. Here is study area for study purpose, and here we can enter to a terrace of the apartment. So if we see the dimension of this floor plan, here we can 3.14 meter, 2.35 meter, 2.65 meter, 3.92, 2.08, 5.2, 2.8, 6.4, 5.5, 3.6, 1.67, 3.2. Here is 3.94, 1.50, 1.82, 1.05. So if we move toward the 3D, it's make a very interesting 3D, a very interesting 3D. From here we can enter to the apartment. Here is cabinets. Here is a storeroom. This is the 3D of the storeroom. Here is a master bath. So in the master bath, here is a shower, the toilet, the vanity with child bedroom. Here is a master bedroom. With master bedroom, here is kitchen. You can see with kitchen, here is a dining table with living room. Here is the entry for a terrace, the sliding doors. So here is a sitting area on the terrace. You can see it's a really very interesting 3D. Here is, you can see the floor plane of a wood. It's very interesting. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode with a new design. Have a good day, dear.